All right, we're back with some more Sex Pistols. We're checking out the song Anarchy in the UK. Let's get into it.
Oh. What in the world?
I don't know. This is more of what I was expecting for punk.
Really? I thought you were expecting like Tony Hawk vibes.
Yeah, that. Or like F the System.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? That's what our first punk street, as people told us. Punk is more like kind of F the System
like the
music.
Holiday in Cambodia,
yes.
Dead Kennedy
Remember
song.
there was a whole debate of whether Rage Against the Machine is punk or not? Because their whole theme is kind of like F the System. You know what I mean? So this is more what I was expecting. Like lyrically, at least.
Yeah.
What?
He just sounds like he's going through some things. Like, he just sounds like he's just like, I don't even know. Like, he's definitely going through some things.
Like, he uses substances or something?
I know. Like, I just, like, got a visual of him, like, on a bed, just, like, drooling and just, like, disgusting and just, like, I don't know.
Like spazzing.
Like, spazzing. Just, like, pissed. Like, you did this to me.
Now, dogs, buddy. Anarchy for the UK is coming sometime. Maybe I give a wrong time. Stop a traffic line. Your future dream is a shopping scheme. 'Cause I wanna be anarchy in the city.
Oh, interesting solo.
How many ways to get what you want? I use the best, I use the rest. I use the enemy. I use anarchy 'cause I wanna be anarchy. It's the only way to be. Is this the MPLA or is this the UDA or is this the IRA?
Oh.
But it was a UK or just another country. Another council tenancy.
Okay. I think he's just having fun.
Okay.
I think that's literally it.
Okay.
Having fun, voices his opinion, how much he loves anarchy.
Yeah.
Maybe he's like goofing off a little bit, you know what I mean, having fun.
Yeah. I thought this was like UK. I think his voice is actually kind of cool. Because it's kind of like, I don't know, almost like not screaming, but it's almost just like the fringes of dehydration.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
He definitely partied last night.
Yeah, but it's like it makes it sound really raw. Like just super, super raw.
Right.
And given the topic, I think that's very interesting and artistic.
His voice is kind of like anarchist.
It is.
It's perfect for this.
I will not drink water.
Another council tenancy. I wanna be anarchy. And I wanna be
Oh man, I got passed. You see what I mean about the hospital bed? He's drooling and he's just like, you did this to me. Like, I feel like he was like, eh.
Definitely.
That's intense.
I feel like that guy's a character.
Interesting song. Wow.
But I mean, that was like the sounds were so different.
Right?
You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
How would you describe it? That's what says like he was just having fun. I feel like they weren't obeying any rules to music and sounds and anything like that. Like, hey, this is how we want the song to sound like. That's what we're gonna do. But like on one hand, like yeah, it sounds super odd. The other hand, it's like, well, that's what music should be. It shouldn't be like 50 people in a corporate office critiquing your music to make it fit better for the radio kind of thing. You know what I mean?
Right? It's like music is supposed to make you feel a certain way. You know? I feel like it's almost like it's like a drug. You know?
Right.
So that was kind of cool.
Right. It's like the sound is a sound that would probably have to grow on me, but I kind of appreciate how it was delivered. Very raw.
Right.
It's super different than what I'm used to.
Yeah.
So I guess this is real punk.
Okay.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like I don't know, but I don't